Hey, this is Lexi again, and we did a reaction video to two girls and one finger, but it was deleted sadly
because of her.
I'll put it in a side post or whatever.
Yeah.
And hold on, I gotta go all the way over there. Okay,
And we'll try to revive the one.
Watching it now.
What the fuck?
I've never heard that whole thing.
Oh, yeah, me neither. Oh, I don't have a penis and that hurts me.
I'm not looking, man. I'm not looking. Alexis, you can't look.
This one won't make me throw up, but like it's just.
That's painful, man.
Oh my god, I so want to make them see that.
I feel.
Oh wow!
Just imagine, 3 years in the future, that's your husband.
That is so not my husband.
He watches that over and over and over again. Akuma, just to see the guy's pain. I was like, you sure? You're just looking at the pain?
What the hell?
Oh my god, there's so many.
That's just
oh,
so
my
wrong.
God.
What the?
Are you really singing at this moment, Valeria?
Yes. It's done! Yay!
That poor child. She's gonna have nightmares.
Oh my god. Do not.
Bye, peoples. Bye.